There's another hypothesis testing for proportions problem, chapter 19, number 31. So an airline claims that they returned 90% of lost luggage within 24 hours. We do a sample, and the sample suggests that it's actually less than that. We want to know, does this sample cast out on the airline's claim? We're going to use an alpha level of 10% just to do something different on this one. So the first thing we have to do is define our variable P. We do that by figuring out our population and success. Our population is lost luggage, technically lost luggage. And the successful luggage is returned within 24 hours. So we say let P be the proportion of luggage that's returned within 24 hours. We have our sample, 103 out of 122. That's a success rate, a sample success rate of 84.4%. That's less than the airline claimed. They claimed they returned 90%. So our hypotheses, remember the null hypothesis is always P equals some number, P naught. So the airline claims they return 90%. Our sample says, nope, it's actually less than 90. So our alternative hypothesis is P is less than 90%. We draw a picture. Right in the middle is P naught, the number we used to believe. Our sample is down here below. We always shade a tail, so we're going to shade under the 87%. Notice we shaded under, and we wrote below. Okay, we use our calculator. So we're going to go stat over to tests, down to number 5. Too far. Our P naught, the number we used to believe before we did the sample, 0.90. We had 103 successes in the sample out of 122. Our alternative we chose was less than P naught. P is less than P naught. And we hit calculate. We're done. There's our p-value. The only number we really care about there. The second one, p-value 2%. Here's our alpha level, 10. So we get a p-value of 2%. That's less than 10, less than alpha. Reject it all except the alternative. Then we write our conclusion. Our conclusion is the thing we just accepted. This statement right here. We have strong evidence that this is that. We have strong evidence that less than 90% of luggage is returned within 24 hours. So we reject the airline's claim. They claim they return 90%. We have strong evidence that they don't.